weights. Are we acting like a couple? I'm just trying to get it straight. Cause I'm over here convinced that it's too early for mistakes. And then
you had to change up the game. Oh, the weather is not the same. Now there's only cloudy days. I can't stand the rain in July. There were fireworks exploding, but now it's getting colder. The leaves are turning colors. Why? It's just not our season. The one and only.
One day you leave this world behind, so live a life you will remember.
You, baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else love me like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna be.
My Bella. Sanibonani, my name is Sepiso Mthetho ngiyanamukela kwi-channel yami. And if you're a regular T Squad, thank you so much for coming back by. And if you're new in this channel, welcome. Please subscribe to become a T Squad. And if you're a regular a T Squad, thank you so much for coming back by, child. Sanibonani guys, for sure niyazibuza ukuthi umpetwa lengane wenziwe ngani. Well guys, kade ngilele usuku lonke namhlanje ngivuke ekseni ngageza. Ngadla, ngalala. Gcine nje ngokudla ekseni and manje isikhathini. Manje it's 5 to 5. So gcine ekseni ukudla. But manje I'm going to make dinner. Ngokwenza isidlo sasebusuku manje, but before ngenze ukudla kwasebusuku, before ngenze ukudla kwasebusuku, I'm gonna start by eating an orange. Ngidinga vitamin C. Angizizwa kahle. Anguzwa kahle umzimba wami njengamanje, so I need vitamin C. I've been drinking water. Angazikwenzana noma umkhuhlane kodwa ngiyayilwa lento guys. Mina uma ngiphethwe umkhuhlane, ngiphathwa amathansela, ngiba inkinga, ngiba into yombhede. So nje angifuni umkhuhlane kule winter, angifuni umkhuhlane. And into engijabulelile this year guys, in April ngijwayele ukuphathwa umkhuhlane mina ngo-April. Ngiyazi bese kuzoba ibirthday yami noma mina ibirthday yami ngiphethwe umkhuhlane, sengiyazazi ngisuke ngigula nje ngo-April mina. Kodwa vele futhi lokho akungimisi ukuthi ngiselebrate ibirthday yami. Ukugula akungimisi mina. Yazi ngenza njani? Ngifike umkhuhlane ujwayele ukungiqala, ngiphuza amaphilisi, ngiphuza izinto nje ezoboosta i-energy yami for ibirthday yami. And then emva kwalokho ngilala inyanga yonke ngoba ngisuke ngiyi-weak, nezinto ezibandayo futhi ngisuke ngiyiphuza ngithi ngo-April yayibona leyo nto. So ngisuke nginaleyo nkinga. But manje ngiyosika orange lami, ngidle orange. Emva kwalokho ngiyapheka. Guys, subscribe to my channel, and ukusubscribe it's free. Ukusubscribe ku-free guys, so subscribe guys. Ni subscribe akucharge lutho. Abonje ungena YouTube subscribe channel yomuntu akucharge lutho. So please subscribe to my channel. This is the second episode of a township girl trying to make it out Ekasi. So this is episode 2. Hope you enjoy the first episode. We are rolling guys. So yeah, enjoy. Bye. What do you mean?
I know every time I try to resist, you get away. On trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is end up just on replay. Still right next to you. Try not to show how I feel about you. You is your way, but we don't really want. I just wanna get away. Just stay right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around.
So guys, ngizodla i-orange lami la. So guys, angazi yini ethe ngenze le series le. I hope abantu bazoyithanda. I hope izoba nama-viewers, guys. All in all, I need viewers, I need subscribers. Le nto ngiyayenza ngothando. Ngiyayithanda all lento. And omunye umuntu ngabe sekade give up indaba ya YouTube or content creation in all. Ngoba I've started content creation in 2021. 2021, if I'm not mistaken, 2021 when I started a YouTube channel. But I deleted my old YouTube channel because I felt like bonke abantu abasubscribe laphana abantu engibacelile like unsubscribe yabo like I was still in college ngicela abantu bengihlala nabantu kwi-campus, please subscribe to my channel or ngithi ngizokconnectisa ngicela subscribe yabo. So I was like wonke lama subscribers I did subscribers to me because very they're not viewing, they're not liking. Nje post but people are not viewing anything or nje yabo ama viewers it didn't make sense to me. It didn't make sense. So I was like, okay, what's an other YouTube channel and last year November, if I'm not mistaken, last year November I started a new YouTube channel, which is this channel, and we tried, we are trying, we are growing, but be patient with content creation in all. Kumele ube patient, guys. Kumele ube patient kule nto ngoba akudlalwa yabo manje sengiyoqeda unyaka but nginama subscribers amangaka 100 yabo. So and I don't like comparing myself with people yabo ngoba kukhona abantu abaqala i-YouTube channel yabo in this month, next month usena 10k, usena 5k. Uyayibona leyo nto. And mina it's almost a year manje. And ama subscribers ayimele nje. Athi siyoke sibone. Uyayibona lento le, but nami ngizowakhombisa ngoba ngeke ngize give up, guys. I love content creation so much, guys. I-content, ama-business, that's me. Like, that's me. Yazi la mnandi orange. I-orange enjani nenhlamvu, guys. Laba nenhlamvu orange. Ukuthi phela ngene umuntu ohleze edla ama-orange manje ngibuye ngikhohlwa. Oh, yinanje engingenawo ama-orange. Engingenawo izinhlamvu. Ayi angazi. Angazi.
Keep this feeling to myself. Now you're the one thinking of my highest from my pocket now. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. Can't get away.
You can kill my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream forever. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
Get your life, little mama, won't you get your life on?